Hi everyone, I'm Fitri Kurniasih from Mercubuana University, and in this video I will make my final exam in English for accounting. So first of all, I will tell you about a financial statement. Financial statement or financial reports are formal records of the financial activities and position of a business or other entity. A financial statement is a combination of three major reports on a business. In financial statement, you will make income statement, capital statement, balance sheet, and also cash flow. In capital statement, divided by two methods, there are accrual basis and cash basis. In accrual basis is a technique of accounting record, which is record when a transaction occurs even though cash has not been received. Meanwhile, in cash basis is a method of recording in accounting which only record transaction is if cash is received or distributed. So the difference of accrual basis and cash basis is in accrual, every transaction is recorded. Meanwhile, there is no cash receipt or cash payment. But in cash basis is transaction are records if there are cash payment or cash receipt. So the next one is tax. Based on Undang-Undang number 16 in 2009, definition of tax as compulsory contribution of the state that are owed by private person or entities of corporate nature based on the law without receiving their direct reciprocity and used for the state's needs for the greatest prosperity of the people. There are two effects of tax. Number one is tax cause an income effect because they reduce purchasing power to taxpayers. Number two, tax cause a substitution effect when taxation causes a substitution between tax guards and untaxed guards. In Indonesia, there are three systems of tax collection. Number one is self-assessment system. Number two is official assessment system. Number three is withholding system. In self-assessment system is a tax determination system which imposes an independent determination of the amount tax to be paid by taxpayer concerned. In official assessment system is a tax collection system that imposes the authority to determine the amount of tax owed to the tax authorities or tax official as tax collector or taxpayer. And the last one is a withholding system. In withholding tax collection system, that amount of tax is usually calculated by a third part. They are neither taxpayer or tax official or tax authorities. The next one is cost accounting. What is cost accounting? Cost accounting is a form of managerial accounting that aims to capture a company's total cost of production. They divide by 5 types. Number one is fixed cost, number two is variable cost, number three is operating cost, and number four direct cost, and the last one is direct cost. I will tell you the difference between direct and indirect cost. Number one is direct cost. Direct cost encompass the cost involved with creating, developing, and releasing a product. Direct costs include manufacturing supplies, equipment, raw materials, labor costs, and other production costs. Meanwhile, indirect costs encompass costs not directly related to the development of your business product service. Indirect costs include utilities, office supplies, office technology, marketing campaigns, accounting, and payroll service. The last one is rules of accountant in globalization era. Globalization is a concept that refers both to the compression of the world and the intensification of consciousness of the world as whole. It characterized by stretching of social, political, and economic activities across frontiers, regions, and continents. In this globalization era, any international financial issues will have far-reaching implications for every accountant. For example, the Enron scandals caused fall of Arthur Andersen, one of big 5 accounting firms. So in this globalization era, we as an accountant must be up to date about what is happening today, what is the impact of that issue for our company, for our financial, or for our investment, so we can prevent loss that might arise in our company, that will be make stable for our profit. So I think that's enough for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.